This video shows how to align the beam to the correct direction of the next manhole during the first day setup using the Line Set Check function. Line Set Check can be used for quick and accurate direction alignments up to 100% or 45 degrees, even when starting in a short and deep trench. Press the M menu button to enter the menu and select Line Set Check. Then press the E Enter button to start the alignment. The beam moves down to the 0% position to check the first reference position. Then the beam starts the automatic movement to the top, which can be stopped with the plus arrow button. Use the left-right arrow buttons to align the beam to the center of the direction stake. A short press of the E button turns off the beam for a moment during the required calculation for the plumb down movement. The flashing beam moves down in plumb to the dialed-in grade value.